Python, Boolean list to binary string. What's the fastest way to convert a list of booleans into a binary string in Python? For example, bool is to-bin string true, false, equals 0b110. Also, how would I convert that binary string into the binary literal? Would this take more time than just converting from the Boolean list to the binary literal immediately? How would one do this? For example, bool is to-bin true, false, equals 0b110. Thanks.
Regarding your first question, you can use a list comprehension and a conditional expression. Regarding your second, you cannot convert that binary string into the binary literal. As their name suggests, literals must be literally typed out. Perhaps you meant that you want the quotes removed from the output? If so, use print. Note, I purposefully chose to use a list comprehension with str.join instead of a generator expression because the former is generally faster.
Convert the list to a decent binary will be a long int. And then, if you really need a binary string, as you put it, use to generate that string. Edit. You also can use this code. The mechanism behind it is the same as before.
Actually, my solution is the slowest frown.